Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down, look for the support section and click on that. And click on the contact us button. And then click on the how do I contact customer support button. And as you can see, there are 4 main ways to reach out to them. So you can do that by sending them an email. You can live chat with them if you have a quick question. There's also a support bot available and a phone number. So you can just choose whichever you want. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.